Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into what could be the best anti-theft bike lock on the market, the Sportneer 5-digit combination bike lock. Now, when it comes to securing your bike, you want something that's not just tough, but also convenient. The Sportneer bike lock promises both with its advanced features and robust build. Let's break down why this might just be the ultimate solution for keeping your bike safe. First off, let's talk security. This bike lock offers a 5-digit combination mechanism, providing up to 100,000 possible combinations. That means it's virtually impossible to crack, ensuring your bike stays right where you left it. Made from ultra-thick manganese steel, this lock is built tough. It's designed to withstand cutting and sawing attempts, thanks to its rock-solid construction. Setting your personalized combination is a breeze with its easy-to-reset feature. No more fumbling with keys, simply set your code and you're good to go. The lock comes with a scratch-resistant cover made from high-quality polypropylene, protecting both your bike and the lock itself from the elements. But wait, there's more. This lock isn't just for bikes. Its versatility allows you to secure a wide range of items from motorcycles and scooters to gates and sports equipment. Now, while there are other bike locks out there, the Sportneer stands out for its unbeatable combination of security, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a daily commuter or an occasional rider, this lock is designed to meet your needs and keep your belongings safe. And there you have a comprehensive look at the Sportneer 5-digit combination bike lock. If you're looking for top-tier security without the hassle of keys, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.